Welcome to J&J's test video of 9493. This is a 99 Miata. There's a lot of nines. Hit there in the rear. Has 166,000 miles on it. It's running, if you can hear it. It's got a leather interior. Probably has a limited slip. It's a 5-speed. The back's smacked up. You see that? Cannot drive it due to something being up with the clutch. I put the clutch in and it just, the pressure plate doesn't fully get released, so we're gonna leave that there. I'll show you the mileage. Runs. Window regulator works. Check the mirrors. In, up, and down. Oh. Good window switch. And the window rolls up. Alright, listen to that motor. Oh, it has a nice wood steering wheel and shift knob and brake handle. Can't see it very well. Somebody liked this car. Has a chromed, I think they said. Chromed intake. Sparkly valve cover. Runs just fine. Got a little blow by, but nothing crazy. A little run again. Been on the tail of the dragon. Alright, that's it. 99 Miata, 5-speed, leather interior. As always, thank you for watching. Don't run into people and have your pets spayed and neutered.